Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be update number 4 in my Partners in Cream project pan. This was a project that was started by Steph and Dalin here on YouTube. I love both of their channels. Linked down below, as well as the playlist for everyone else who is currently participating. There are so many people participating in this project, which is so exciting because it means so much content for me to binge watch tonight. I know I cannot wait to see how everyone is doing, what progress they're making, what products they're selecting to use. For me, unfortunately, I don't have very exciting progress this update. We're not rolling anything new in. If this is your first time watching a Partners in Cream video, the essential premise of this project that we selected anywhere between, I think, 4 to 6 products that are cream based, so anything cream or liquid, just no powder products. And the whole idea behind this was that obviously makeup does expire and go bad, and those cream and liquid products do typically go bad before powder products. So just giving us some extra motivation and inspiration to use up some cream and liquid products within our collection. So if you guys are interested in seeing my progress, then stay tuned. First, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider doing so before you leave today. I do post a minimum of 4 times a week, but other than that, let's just jump into this update. You'll have to forgive me for my hair. Yeah, didn't feel like doing it today. Also, it's the never-ending story of construction, so if you can hear construction in the background, I do apologize. I feel like this is going to be like an all summer long thing. In the evening times, there are times where like it is so intense, the house literally shakes. They're like completely redoing the road outside of our house as well as the sidewalk, so really neat. Okay, I took my clip out because my bun was going all over the place. Anyway, let's jump into the progress. Like I said, I have nothing that I will be rolling in. The last like week and a half, I've been giving my face a little bit of a break from makeup. So I just feel like I've really neglected some of the products, not only within this project, but other projects that I am working on. But let's start with this. Most of these products have been in this project since the beginning. This is one of those products. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And when I pulled this in, this was pretty much, not pretty much brand new, but there was a lot of product in this. This had not been touched very much. And as you can see, we are getting there. This is something that I just haven't been as inspired to reach for because I've been reaching for other pore filling primers that I prefer over this. I feel like I've accumulated some smoothing primers throughout my collection the last couple of months because I was really good about using this the first few months of the year. I'm hoping that maybe I can just buckle down, focus on this primer, and get this out by the next update. I don't have too much left, but I could also see this lasting at least another update or 2. I'm so close. I just need to buckle down and use this. This is not a favorite primer of mine, not one that I would repurchase. I know a lot of people love this one. There's just other pore filling and smoothing primers I prefer over this guy. So that is my progress. Oh my gosh, these P words are gonna get to me today. That is my progress with that one. Probably the least exciting is my progress with my Marc Jacobs Slow Burn lipstick. So it's a mini lipstick. This is how much I have left. And I have to be honest, this I was using so much towards the end of 2 months ago, like right before the last update. And then I sort of just like put this away and forgot about it. I've maybe used this like 3 or 4 times. I will put a picture right here showing my progress, and you can tell like there's very minimal progress on this. Looking at this though, like I feel determined that I can indeed finish this up. I feel like this may take most of the year just because I have so many other lip products I'm trying to cycle through. I typically only wear a gloss or a balm at work, so I'm just not reaching for lipsticks as often as other lip products. I've also found with the way that I use lipstick, mine still always comes to like a very intense point. So I feel like as I get down towards the bottom, it'll go a lot quicker, or it'll look like there's more progress, but it just still comes to like a very intense point. Do you get what I'm saying? Anyway, we're still working on this guy. My goal is to finish this. All right, next up is this product right here. These are my Flower Beauty Blush Bombs. This is my Flower Beauty Blush Balm in the shade Pinched. When I pulled this in, this was pretty much full. So I'm really proud of the progress that I've made on this. And actually this past month, I made some more really great progress on this. I was kind of hoping to have this complete by this update, but unfortunately it just did not happen. I actually did the reverse foundation thing today, but I did still, when I topped everything, topped it with quite a bit of powder product too. But the reverse foundation, like even if I hadn't have gone in with all the powder products, I did the powder products because I was filming, and it would have been like really subtle for like filming, but for just like day to day, especially in the spring summertime, loved it. So I feel like it might be a little bit easier than anticipated for me to get through some of my cream products if I do that a lot for like work this summer. But when we started again, we were almost full. We were here. So this was first update January, February, March, April, January, February, March, April, May. I literally don't get what's going on. So I remarked everything, but now I have one extra marking. Intro, January update, end of January, end of February, end of March, end of April, end of May. Okay, you guys, I had to remark these, and now I feel like I have one extra marking, so I'm a little bit confused. I feel like this line right here is probably extra, but anyway, this is the progression of how we have been going. This is where we are at right now. It is getting a little bit harder to squeeze this product out. If I just try, if I try with this, I should have this done by the next update, which will be really exciting. I never, ever would have thought I could have personally finished a liquid blush in my life. So I'm super happy to be a part of this project for that reason, because this would have probably been used maybe 2 times this whole year if this wasn't in this project. Another product I am so close on and wish I had tried just a little bit harder, even if I'd used this maybe like 3 more times. This is the Revlon Candid foundation. It's actually what I have on my face today. I've liked this foundation for the first few hours, but it just doesn't have the wear time I'm looking for, so it's not something I'd repurchase. I've said this probably in every update. I have mine in the shade 200. When we started, I was right here. This was my first update, second update, third update, and now we are right here. I am so close. I don't know how well you'll be able to like see, like I just barely have any of this left, so I'm pretty confident this will be done by the next update, which is exciting. I have way too much foundation in my collection currently, and I would love to move some foundation out, so very excited about that. And then the one product that has not been in here since the beginning is this liquid eyeshadow from Wander Beauty. I rolled this in last time and gave myself the goal to use this 15 times. I've just found that I don't use liquid shadow that often, and a lot of my, especially Stila glitters, have started to dry up and go bad, so that is why I wanted to work on this. I used this on my eyes today as like a base, so unfortunately you won't be able to see that there is a huge window in this because I've kind of covered it up. I've actually used a decent amount of this. This is by far my most reached for and most used liquid shadow in my collection. It's a really beautiful, like cool toned, bronzy, silvery shade, and you can manipulate it for sure, pending like if you put like a cool tone shimmer on top or a warm tone shimmer on top. Today I put Cyborg from the Sultry palette on top of this, and I don't love the way my eyeshadow turned out, but I also don't hate it. I don't know, I just wasn't intending to go for like a gray toned smoky eye, but that's kind of what this turned out to be. So I gave myself a goal of using this 15 times, and I used it 4 times this past month. I was on a roll right away when I rolled this into the project, and then I sort of forgot about this and then was like, oh yeah, whoopsies, I need to be using that. So I've used this 4 times. I have another 11 times in order to hit my goal. But after that, that is my update on my Partners in Cream project pan. I know I can't wait to see everyone else's progress. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you are currently trying to pan any cream products. I would love to hear from you guys. And as always, thank you so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.